Okay, trigger.new map. So trigger.new returns what? List of new records, right? List of new S objects, or list of the records that are getting inserted, updated, or something like that. New map basically returns a map instead of a list, which includes what? ID and the S object which you're trying to insert, which you're trying to update, and which you're trying to do whatever. Yeah, you're trying to undelete, right? So trigger.new map is basically used to get a map in which the records are associated with their IDs, with their record IDs. But do you really think that we have always have record IDs, or we only have record IDs once the record is inserted into the database? Once the record is inserted into the database. So this trigger.new map is only available in before update, after insert, after undelete triggers, right? It is not available in before insert, because before insert there is no record ID field value. ID value only gets associated to a record after it gets inserted into the database. So that's the reason it is only available in before update, and after insert, and after undelete triggers. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, so over here what I've done is I've created a map, ID and account, because this trigger is created onto account object, right? If this trigger would have been created onto opportunity object, then in that case it would have been opportunity instead of account, right? ID comma opportunity. And with the help of trigger.new map, I've got the complete map. And then what I'm doing is I'm getting a, yeah, what exactly? So I'm getting the contacts for all of the I'm getting the contacts for all of the accounts which we are trying to update over here, and onto these contacts, what we are doing, we are setting the okay. Okay. So there are contacts, account one, account two, which I'm trying to update, right? Whenever I update these records, there should be one thing that should happen. The associated contacts to them, there is a field over there called as mailing city, right? Its value should be replaced with the value of the account's billing city. So that means contacts and accounts. So like for account 2, if the billing city is Jaipur, then for C4 and C5, mailing city should be Jaipur. On account 1, mailing city or billing city is Mumbai, then in that case C1, C2, C3's account value should be, or mailing city value should be Mumbai. That's all what I want, right? So over here, I've created a code for that. How I've created a code for it is, I've created I've used trigger.new map, where I've got the IDs as well as the what? S objects, right? And over here, I've written down a query, select last name from contact where account ID in nmap.keyset. Keyset method, what it returns? All the keys, right? And with the help of in keyword, what I can do? I can compare all of them, right? So if the account that I'm trying to update, if there are any associated contacts with that, just get all of those contacts into C list. And then after that, what you have to do is go to that particular contact and get that account into account A. And yeah, and in that account A, get the billing city and set it as the mailing city for that particular contact, right? Let's do one thing. Let's go and let's create some records. Leave this page. So Alice in the Wonderland. Details, right? So over here, let me create some contacts first. So like Alice in the Wonderland. Who all characters were there in Alice in the Wonderland? Do you know? Sorry? Humpty Dumpty. Let's do it like that. Right? There's Humpty Sharma. There is Dumpty Sharma. For Alice in the Wonderland, right? And for Alice in the Wonderland is where? Wonderland? What should be the city? Jaipur mein hai. The billing city is Jaipur, and I'm gonna save this. Right? When you go to Humpty Sharma and Dumpty Sharma, their mailing city is currently null. Mailing address, right? Mailing address. You can edit it. Mailing city is null, and it's same for Dumpty Sharma. The mailing address, and in the mailing address you've got mailing city. It's null, so it should get updated to Jaipur. That's what should happen. Yes or no? Okay, let's make it happen. The code we are updating. Billing state we are updating. So billing state. What? You sure? Billing state. Okay. From the billing state, Rajasthan. So Rajasthan should go over there. That's Rajasthan. Rajasthan. Right. So Rajasthan should be copied to Humpty Sharma's city. Let's make the change in the code, right? Why make state a city? Jaipur should be there. Jaipur should be the city for Humpty Sharma and Dumpty Sharma. Currently, it's not there. So now what do I need to do? I need to update this record. Yes or no? So when I'm gonna edit this record, this before update is gonna be triggered, and then it's gonna execute this particular code, and then it's gonna update those CLS records. So let me make it in generating hot. So if Alice in the Wonderland is in Rajasthan, it's definitely gonna be hot, right? And Humpty Sharma, Dumpty Sharma, sat on the wall. Details. Where is the city? It's not active. I think the trigger is not active. Let's make it active first. 6-1. After making it active, do not make any changes in the code if you have already opened it up, because that problem will happen again. Made it active, then I'm gonna go to the Alice in Wonderland and I'm gonna make it cold. Let's make it cold. Cold. Alice in the Wonderland is very cold. Oh, trigger execution. S object exception. Uh, let's not make any changes from here. Let's make changes from here only. 61. Last name, comma. It's active now. So let me close it from here. Let's have a look at the code in here only. Mailing city, okay. Active or not? Yes, it is active. Now let's go back to Alice in the Wonderland and make it warm. See. Which field do we need to trigger? Mailing city, billing city. What? Okay, I need to refresh that page, by the way. That was the problem. I'm going to go to details. I'm going to make this rating from hot to cold. I'm going to save it. Again. ID always is always there. Let's have a look. Let me have a look. Last name, first name, feed dot. Ah, account ID, account ID, account ID. It's account ID. ID of contact is already there, but account ID needs to be there. Save. Edit this 61. Yeah. Alice in the Wonderland. Refresh this one. Let's make it cold. With some of save. Let's have a look at the Humpty Sharma and Dumpty Sharma. City equals to Jaipur. For Dumpty Sharma, city equals to Jaipur. That's how it goes. Clear, everyone? How to use new map? So I'm not only explaining you that what is a context variable and what it returns. I'm also explaining you what are the situations in which you might have to use these context variables. Like new map, I'm pretty sure you're not going to use it often, right? Not a lot of time, but these are some situations in which you can use it. These are some business cases, or these are some user cases, or these are some scenarios in which you can use it. So you have to, you better take care of it.